The British invasion lives on.
Here comes that rainy day feeling again. And soon my tears, they will be falling like rain.
The Fortunes are back and better than ever. John Washington, one of the founding members, is once again bringing the original sound and unique vocal stylings of the Fortunes to the Americas.
Always spent with you before the clouds appear into the wind and sunshine. Here comes that rainy day feeling again. And I'll be dreaming of you, baby, in vain.
Around the world, the Fortunes' classic hits are being played on the radio every day. They're timeless recordings. You've Got Your Troubles, I've Got Mine, and Here Comes That Rainy Day Feeling Again remain two of the most played songs on contemporary radio today.
You got your troubles, I've got mine. And you have lost my love today. All of my dreams have flown away.
This internationally acclaimed act has been a vital force in the music business for the last 30 years. The Fortunes are veterans of numerous TV appearances, including The Ed Sullivan Show, Shindig, the Kraft Music Hall of Fame, American Bandstand, and Hullabaloo.
I still get the same old feeling tearing out this heart of mine. It's telling me that maybe I'm not really over you.
You can hear all the Fortunes' greatest hits, including Here It Comes Again, Freedom Come, Freedom Go, Seasons in the Sun, Storm in a Teacup, and many more in their action-packed, high-energy hit review.
We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. But the hills we used to climb were just seasons out of time. All our lives we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. But the hills we used to climb were just seasons out of time. I love you, Papa.
John Washington's original sounds of the Fortunes. Come, hear the music, feel the energy, revive those magical days of the 60s and 70s. See the ultimate class act.
Here comes that rainy day feeling again. And soon my tears, they will be falling like rain.
The British are coming.
John Washington's original sounds of the Fortunes.
You got your troubles,